Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 3.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The gold got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices edged higher as the US EIA raised its world oil demand growth forecast for the year, while OPEC stuck to its forecast for relatively strong growth in 2024. The dollar hit a 4-week high, ahead of a highly anticipated inflation report that is likely to influence the timing of the first rate cut by the US Federal Reserve, while the euro was pressured by political uncertainty in the region. Ripple Labs closed its acquisition of Standard Custody, a digital asset custodian, on June the 11th. The deal, first announced earlier this year, is central to Ripple's planned rollout of a United States dollar stablecoin and broader goals of real-world asset tokenization.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's harmonised index of consumer prices will be released at 6 GMT, the UK's industrial production at 6 GMT, Japan's BSI Large Manufacturing Conditions Index at 2350 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment will be released at 2350 GMT, the US Fed interest rate decision at 18 GMT, the UK's gross domestic product at 6 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.